Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator. Okay, I'm sorry. We back with another video, and today it is about that time. We getting ready to do this wish haul, honey. And I just uploaded a video that involves a Simblr box. So if you want to see that video, pause this one, pause it, go ahead and watch that. It's probably like only like 9 to 10 minutes long. Okay, I'm trying to keep it under because I don't like doing long videos. I love them, but I gotta stop doing long videos anyway. Click on that video and check it out. It's part of my Damage Review playlist. It is the first link in the description down there. And you know what else is down there? That like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell. Get notified of my videos. Like, seriously. Who don't want to get notified of my videos? Like, seriously. But anyway, let's get on to this video today. We're doing a wish haul. Sorry for a long introduction. Y'all know I'm hyped. Today we are doing a video for the part 2 of the wish haul. It is all about this. Okay. What is this? Well, according to Wish, this is supposed to help remove like your body hair, facial hair, bikini area for my ladies. You know, this is supposed to help remove hair without this, which I love. This is my shit right here. And this. Now, if you went to the video, you would know what this is. But it's supposed to eliminate this and this. Now, I'm not sure how to use this. Okay, I'm not sure because I tried it. I tested it on my arm. I mean, with my hand and my arm. See, I'm testing right here. I guess it's like the abrasive side. And then this is like the soft side. I don't know. It's kind of a weird concept. I don't know how to use this. It's like a little sponge. I love the sponge material. Very nice. But when this came, it lacked instructions. So if you know how to use this, let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll be sure to be like, okay. But it's definitely sponge. It does hold water well. But it's just like, it's really weird. This is abrasive side. Nice and rough. And then you got this smooth side. Kind of like a buffer. You know what I mean? But I don't know how to use this. But let me know in the comment section, okay? This is a short review. So this is a 5 out of 10. I'm taking half off because of lack of instructions. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry for this being short, but it's only one item. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Share the video. Click the notification bell to be notified of all of my videos. If you want to know where this came from, be sure to hit that Damage Review playlist up. It'll give you all the information of how I acquired that item right there, along with some other stuff. I will see you all next time with the fingers. Bye. Told y'all I'm hyped. Bye, y'all.